guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I've got a great recipe today. I love this. We're making crispy almond biscotti, and they're gluten-free. These have a wonderful almond flavor. We're going to balance it out by putting in some lemon zest. Now these are twice baked. That's so we can reduce some of that moisture and get that classic crispiness. These are a real treat. I think you're really going to love these. They're simple, they're good. Let me show you how I make them.